Hello friends, in today's video I will teach you how to backup your WhatsApp chats and messages, and you will also learn how to restore them when you reinstall or install WhatsApp. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with informative videos like this one. First, click on the profile picture of your WhatsApp. Here you find the chats option, click on it. In the chat section, scroll down and you will see chat backup, click on it. Here you will find an option for backup to Google Drive. With this option, you can choose how often you want to backup your chats, daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup. I have selected only when I tap backup. You can choose your preferred option. Next, select the Google account that is logged to your mobile phone and that you want to use for backing up your WhatsApp chats. Might be asked for authentication, so go ahead and allow it. This process may take a moment. Once you allow it, your WhatsApp account connects to your Google account. If you don't have Wi-Fi and you are using mobile data to backup your chats, you can enable the backup using cellular option. I am backing up using Wi-Fi, so I don't enable it. If you want to backup your videos as well, enable this option. Keep in mind that this will increase the backup size. Now click on backup. As I click on it, it says backing up messages. It means my backup is started. You see that our backup is uploading and it is 1.7 MB backup. I have created a new WhatsApp account for this tutorial, so that is why the backup size is small. Once the backup is complete, it uploads. Now, let's move on to the process of reinstalling WhatsApp and restore the chats. I uninstall and then reinstall the WhatsApp on my mobile. Here, I enter my mobile number and click on Next. WhatsApp has sent a verification code on my SIM, which usually takes only 5 to 10 seconds. The verification happens automatically. The next step is restoring WhatsApp data. You can see the verification is complete and we receive the verification code. Now we need to continue. Click on continue and then allow the necessary permissions. Here it says looking for backup. The size of the file I uploaded earlier is shown here. In this case, it's 1.7 MB. Click on restore to proceed. Do not skip this step. Now it says preparing to restore messages. You see that our messages are being restored. Once it reaches 100%, just type your name. After that, click next. It says initializing. After this step, you see that all my chats have been restored exactly as I backed them up. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye and see you soon.